Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled with uneven skin tone or pesky blemishes that just won't seem to disappear, today's product might be the answer you've been looking for. The NYX Professional Makeup Color Correcting Concealer Palette is designed to tackle all kinds of skin imperfections, from redness to dark circles. And today we're diving deep into how well this palette performs. This palette offers 6 different color-correcting concealers that are specifically formulated to address various skin concerns. The shades work together to help camouflage imperfections, whether it's using the yellow and peach tones to combat dullness and dark circles, the green to neutralize redness, or the purple and pink to brighten your complexion. The versatility in these colors allows you to customize your coverage for whatever your skin needs at the moment. I've been using this palette for a few weeks now, and I have to say it's been an interesting journey. I started by testing it under different lighting conditions, applying it both before and after foundation. The texture of the concealers is smooth, and they blend pretty easily with my fingers or a brush. However, I did notice that the peach and yellow tones are a bit on the thicker side, so they need to be warmed up a little to avoid a cakey finish, especially if you have dry skin like mine. The green concealer works wonders on blemishes and redness. It's got a good amount of pigment to it, so a little goes a long way. It doesn't leave a weird greenish tint when blended in, which I was worried about at first. The purple and pink tones are especially good for brightening the under eye area. If you have tired eyes or dark circles, these shades are a game changer. They don't just cover up the dark spots, they really give your face a fresher, more awake appearance. The palette is also cruelty-free, which is a big win for me. Knowing that none of these concealers have been tested on animals gives me peace of mind when using them. When it comes to pros, the palette's variety of shades is fantastic. You can mix and match depending on what your skin needs at that moment. The pigmentation is strong enough to do the job without layering on too much product. Another positive is that the formula is buildable, so you can layer it for more coverage without feeling heavy. On the downside, there are a few cons. The texture of some of the shades can feel a little thick, so you have to be careful with how much you apply. If you overdo it, it can look a little cakey, especially around the nose or eyes. Also, while it's a great all-in-one solution, I did feel like I needed to set it with powder to ensure it stayed in place throughout the day, especially if you're prone to oily skin. In terms of value for money, this palette is well priced for the range of concealers you get. It's not the most affordable option out there, but for what you're getting, 6 shades that target different skin concerns, it's a reasonable investment. If you're looking for a multitasking product that saves you time and money, it's definitely worth considering. Comparing it to other color correctors on the market, this NYX palette stands out because of the range of colors and its buildable formula. However, there are other brands that offer similar palettes, but sometimes those options come with fewer shades or a thinner texture. What sets the NYX palette apart is its versatility. There's no need to buy multiple products when this one does it all. The build quality is pretty solid for a drugstore brand. The packaging is sturdy enough, and the compact size makes it travel-friendly. The palette does have a nice mirror, which is a bonus, so you can use it on the go. As for longevity, I found that the concealers last pretty well during the day, but you may need a touch-up after about 6 hours, especially around the T-zone. Customer support? Well, NYX is pretty well known for their solid reputation. I haven't had to contact them, but based on my past experiences with their products, I feel confident in saying that their customer service is responsive and helpful if needed. As for alternatives, if you feel this one is a bit too high in price for your budget, there are a few drugstore brands that offer good color correction palettes at a lower price point. LA Girl, for instance, has a great color corrector palette that's affordable and offers similar shades. However, it might not have the same level of blendability or range of tones. To sum it up, the NYX Professional Makeup Color Correcting Concealer Palette is a solid option for anyone looking to correct discoloration and imperfections. The range of shades makes it versatile for different skin tones, and the buildable formula allows you to tailor the coverage to your needs. While it's not perfect for everyone, especially those with dry skin, it's still a great multitasking product that can save you time and money in your beauty routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.